Elephant ears. Create your very own elephant ears. Download and print our template or draw your own on card. For this craft you will need elephant ears template, grey fabric or paper scraps, 2 sheets of paper, tape, pink felt tip or crayon, glue and scissors. Cut out your elephant ears template, including inner ear and headband. Stick your headband together, measure around your head and secure in place. Now stick your elephant ears onto your headband so they poke out either side of your head. To decorate, collage your elephant ears and headband using grey fabric or paper scraps and glue. Colour in your inner ears, that's the small crescent shapes, using a pink felt tip and stick in the centre of your elephant ears. To make your tusks, get your sheets of paper, roll up each sheet individually and scrunch from the top to the bottom. Get your tape and carefully wrap the tape around the length of each tusk. Turn your elephant ears over and secure your elephant tusks onto the back of your headband using tape. Finally, curl your tusks upwards and your elephant ears are now ready to wear.